Okay, you ready for the volcano?
Yeah.
Alright.
Mom, it's not going to be loud.
Okay.
Alright, here we go with the volcano. Ready?
Yeah. Are you ready, Mom?
We're ready.
See?
Whoa!
See how it got messed up because it's
Man.
exploded.
Look at that.
Isn't it pretty?
How'd you make it orange the first time?
Marker bleeding.
Oh,
Cool.
that is awesome. Good science, Daddy.
Yay.
See, isn't it cool, Mom?
It is cool.
I told you.
I love it.
Look at the lava down there. Ready? See the lava down there, Parker?
Mom, want to see it now again?
I'm watching.
Oh, you're watching, Mom?
You see all the
Because
colors
it's
down
gonna
there
die.
too?
Uh-oh. Man, there it goes.
It just goes.
Now look.
Ooh.
Whoa.
That's awesome, Mark.
See, it's fun. It's fun to look at it. It looks like the ocean.
Yeah, it does. Let's do one more little dabble. Do you like that?
Yeah. That one looks like an octopus.
Does it? Crab.